Guys, I'm Ume. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how you can increase your life. I'm sorry, I can't tell you. Sorry, I can tell you that how can you increase your battery life and you can run your battery whole day. These are 10 simple tips, 10 secret tips which you can say which you can use to increase your battery life. So I request you to please wait and watch this video till the end. So let's start. So guys, the first tip, this is the very simple tip which you need to focus right now. So guys, you can see in my phone screen which is displayed here, you can see how many apps are running in the background. First one is Cut the Rope, Hill Climb, 2 games, for Hangout, Chrome, YouTube. So guys, I only need one of app at the time because I can't use 2 apps simultaneously at once. Like I can't use Hangout with Chrome. So friends, what I want to tell you is that you need to limit the apps which are running in your background. So the apps which are not required, just kill them. What I mean by killing them is just log out. There are some apps like Instagram, Facebook, which we just directly close them and swipe up like this, and we just close it. This is the very bad habit which we need to avoid. So guys, first tip is that you need to avoid the apps which are running in the background. Second tip is avoid killing them. What I mean by killing them is what we do is that I'll show you here. What we do is that we just swipe up the apps which are open in our background. Hill Climb goes up, or Hangout goes up, Chrome goes up. So this is the thing which we need to avoid. By this, what happens when our app is closing directly, it affects our phone directly. What I mean is that your battery is getting affected very badly, and the battery drain starts very quickly. It's like if you pull a rope quickly, it will break. So that's what effect it happens in our phone also. So this was the second tip. Third tip is that don't open unnecessary things in your mobile, such as Wi-Fi is also on. I don't need the Wi-Fi, and sometimes people GPS is also on, and sometimes it's on the airplane mode. So I need to avoid this because I don't need GPS right now, to be honest. So we need to avoid these things. Like I don't need GPS, the unnecessary hotspots. One of the tip is that as I use a hotspot daily because I don't have an direct internet connection, I connect my mobile with the laptop to run internet in my laptop, right? So I know that how much data goes when the hotspot is on. So you need to avoid unnecessary hotspots. So if you need the hotspot, you can open it's your mobile, right? And now the other tip is that when your phone is charging, just remove this cover. This is extremely bad habit if we are putting our covers on the mobile, because of the heating of our mobile, the cover is also getting its color is also changing if it is white, which happened with my Oppo phone. So you need to avoid that. And you need to keep your, this is the brightness manual which is open in my mobile. You need to keep your brightness at the lowest, because brightness in most of the people phone is at the lowest point, but some people put it just increase the bar of that slider where the like this, and they keep it unnecessarily in between, and just unnecessary brightness. So avoid this also contributes to the battery drain. So these are some small tips which I recommend you to please focus on, and these tips, if you will implement them, these tips will save your battery life like anything, guys. You just need to understand this. And when you're putting your phone on charging, just remember that you need to turn your own phone off. Fine, like this. Guys, I showed you 10 simple tips, and they are so easy to do that you can do it on your daily basis. These are some important tips which you need to remember while using your phone. So if you like this video, share this video, comment and subscribe. If you like this video, so thumbs up, give a thumbs up and down, and if you disliked it, please give a dislike to us, and please tell us in the comment which type of videos do you want us to make, so that we can give you that content after research. So like this video, share and comment, subscribe, and do visit us again. So see you in the next one.